MyWay Teaching Aids Private Limited.
Maths. Grade 8 Unit 5. Introduction to Graphs. Cartesian plane. Parameter. The Cartesian plane is defined as a two-dimensional coordinate plane, which is formed by the intersection of the x-axis and y-axis. Axes. In the Cartesian plane, there are two axes. The horizontal line is known as x-axis, and the vertical line is known as y-axis. With the help of these axes we can mark any point in the Cartesian plane. Origin. In the Cartesian plane, the point at which the x-axis and y-axis intersect is called the origin. Coordinate axes. The x-axis and y-axis together are called the coordinate axes. The plane having the coordinate axis is known as the coordinate plane or the Cartesian plane. Coordinates of a point. A point in a Cartesian plane is denoted by x, y, where x denotes the distance of the point from the origin along the x-axis and y denotes the distance of the point from the origin along the y-axis. X, y, is known as an ordered pair. X and y taken together are called the coordinates of the point. In the Cartesian plane, the origin is represented by an ordered pair or the Cartesian coordinate, 0, 0. As shown in the graph, the horizontal line x o x is called the x-axis and the vertical line y o y is called the y-axis. The point of intersection of both the axes is called the origin o. Quadrants. The x-axis and y-axis split the plane into four parts, and they are called quadrants. Quadrants are denoted as 1, 2, 3, and 4 in an anti-clockwise direction. The axes in the plane are called Cartesian axes, and the plane is known as the Cartesian plane. Depending on the value of a point, it can be located in a particular quadrant as given below. Line graphs. A line graph is a graph consisting of bits of line segments joined consecutively. Parts of a line graph. Linear graphs. The linear graph is a straight line graph that is drawn on a plane connecting the points plotted on x and y coordinates. It shows a linear relationship between two quantities where one quantity is independent and the other is dependent. Dependent and independent variables. The variable whose value does not depend on the values of the other variable is called an independent variable, and the variable whose values depend on the values of the other variable is known as a dependent variable. Use of graphs. Distance-time graphs. Simple interest graph. Difference between linear graph and line graph.
Thanks for watching this video.